Hi, I'm Trapti. Today I'm going to create this scale up text on scroll effect. We'll do this animation in three steps. First, setting up HTML and CSS. Second, animating text using GreenSock. Third, attaching that animation to scroll trigger. Let's start with setting up HTML and CSS. Add two paragraphs inside a div with a class text container and wrap everything in a section. Give some basic styling. Include GSAP and scroll trigger in the JS panel of codepend. Save and close. Start animation. We'll create a timeline. We want these texts to be in original position at the end of the animation. So we'll create a from tween for this. Inside it, we'll access both the paragraphs with their class names in an array. I will set transform y 300 for these paragraphs to push it down from its original position. 300 is a number I just picked randomly. We can change it if it is required. We also want our text to scale up when it is coming. I have given scale 0.5 and center transform. I have also included GS Dev tool to visually interact with our timeline. Let's check our animation. We'll use GS Dev tool. Now it is scaled down 0.5. When it is coming up, it is scale 1. Now I just add opacity. So it visually it will be hidden and then it will come up. It's hidden and then come up. Perfect. Let's attach timeline to the scroll using scroll trigger. I'll add text container as a trigger element. Text container is a parent element for both the paragraphs. I'll add marker as well to see the trigger points in the screen properly. Now I'll add two sections, one above and one below to the text container so that we have some spacing and we can see the text coming from below properly. As of now, the trigger points are the default points. You can see the markers saying start and scroll and text in the screen. Those are the default trigger points. Now I'm going to change it. I'm giving start as a top, which is actually a default value. We may change it in the future. The end, I'm going to make it a little bit down for the trigger. So I'm giving plus equals to 600, which will push the end of the trigger element 600 points down. As you can see on the screen. Now I'll add scrub to this configuration so that animation is running on this on scrubbing of the scroll bar. I want to make this container pinned as soon as it starts the animation so that we can see the text coming from bottom to up clearly. I'll hide GSDev tool. We can run our animation through scroll bar. Let's check our animation. When the start of this trigger element touches the scroll bar start, then the trigger happens. Yeah, it's working perfectly. The effect is done. It's looking nice. It has been used for in many awards.com websites. If you want me to create similar effects, please comment below. And thank you so much for watching.